Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another free food haul. So let's get started, guys, again. I got a nice big heavy bag of grilled cooked chicken. It's a huge heavy bag. And you can throw this in anything, basically anything, and eat it. It's really good. So I got chicken. Got this big, huge thing of more than a gallon. It's super big of yogurt. I got a bag right here of some apples. Got a big thing of gallon of milk again. Love milk. And then I got a whole bunch of these onions. I got a little bag of, a whole bunch of these onions. I know 3 were taken out from the box. So I got a whole bunch of onions. Got a thing of hot dogs again. This is some jumbo hot dogs. Got another block of cheese. Got a bag of potatoes. A nice big heavy bag of potatoes. I got a can right here of some Chef Boyardee SpaghettiOs. Raviolis, you know what I mean. And then I got SpaghettiOs, but this is a different brand. It says spaghetti rings with meatballs. So I got those. And then right here I got a can of cream of mushroom. Got some spaghetti again. Bag of spaghetti. Got a big thing of apple juice. Got that for free. All the stuff was free, guys. Then I got some spaghetti sauce, tomato, basil, 365 organic. So you know this is from Whole Foods. Then I got a box right here of corn biscuits, cereal. It's something like Chex. That's all it is. And then I got a box right here of face mask. My son said it was tissues, but I got this for free. I got a big box of face masks, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how many's in here, but it says a 3-ply woven face mask with ear loops. Okay, so that's cool. So I got all the stuff for free, guys, and that's it. Thanks for watching this free food haul, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.